Lemon Squeezy! Hi guys and welcome to Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. Today, Stanley is going to be choosing the ingredients to go into the slime. Aren't you, Stanley? So, let's go. So first of all is the glues, of course. We've got clear PVA glue, white PVA glue and fluorescent pink PVA glue. He will walk up to the glue, choose a piece of chicken, and that's the glue that I'm going to choose. It's the same for all the rest of the ingredients. So, which one will he go for? Let's see. Go on, Stanley. Go on. Go on. So Stanley chose white PVA glue. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl. Next up, we've got textures. We've got baby oil, shaving cream, conditioner, and lotion. So which one does he choose? Let's see. Stanley chose the body lotion, so I'm going to put in a few pumps of that. Time to stir. Now for food colouring, one of my favourite parts. We've got blue, pink, purple and orange. Ready? Go on then. Time to pop in the blue food colouring. If you want your slime darker, use more food colouring. But if you want it like a pastel or lighter, use less. I went for a pastel-y, vibrant colour, so somewhere in between. Now for the add-ins, another of my favourite parts. We've got fruit, flame beads and moon bands. Go on, Stanley. We're choosing 2 this time. Which one is he going to go for? Flame beads and fruit shapes. First, I'm going to add in these lovely colourful pastel flame beads. I'm only going to take a few handfuls, as flame beads can sometimes make your slime a little bit stiff. Flame bead explosion! And now I'm going to do a few pinches of these lovely colourful fruits. All done. The final round, glitter. We've got silver, dark blue and pinky purple. He's already started to go for it. Let's see. We're choosing 2 again. Silver and the dark blue glitter. I'm adding in the silver first. Now for the dark blue. The only bad thing about glitter is that it goes everywhere. That should do. Time to mix it all in. That is so satisfying. It looks beautiful. I wasn't expecting it to turn out this nice, but I don't know how it feels yet. That's probably one of the most important parts. Now time to use the trusty old Elmer's Magical Liquid, and it truly is magical. That's what Stanley has to say about it. You can use the lid like I just did, or you can simply just pour it in. It's already starting to form. Still sticky though. I've got my slime out of the bowl and I'm just mixing it. Looks like a spider's web. Got some on my leggings there. There are actually lemon slices in the slime. Now, the only thing left to do is to name the slime. Comment down below what you think this slime should be called. It's blue, it's got flame beads in, it's got fruit in, it's got glitter in, and Stanley made it, so, well, he didn't make it, he chose the ingredients, in fact. It's so stretchy and the texture is really nice. Watch this. Peace out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.